Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Instagram HTTP error 429 when I try to log in. Let's fix it guys. First solution consists of 3 steps guys. First step is to update Chrome guys. For that double click on the Chrome, select the 3 dot icon, select settings, scroll down on left side, select about Chrome. When we click about Chrome, it will automatically check for updates. Over here, if there is a update available, it will be downloaded and installed automatically guys. After finishing this step guys, let's move on to the second step of my video. For that you just need to, on left side select privacy and security, on right side select cookies and other site data, scroll down and select see all data and permissions. In here you need to search for Instagram guys and select the trash icon over here and select clear guys. After clearing it, let's move on to the third step guys. That step is to disable extension guys. On left side you just need to scroll down and select extension over here. You just need to disable every extension over here guys and check whether your problem has been resolved or not after disabling extensions. But if you're still having problem after doing these steps, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to accelerate our IP address guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the cmd command window, you just need to type ipconfig space slash release, ipconfig space slash release, press enter guys. After doing this, type ipconfig space slash renew, press enter, wait for it. After finishing this command, type ipconfig space slash flash DNS, press enter guys. After doing this step, successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. Now go ahead and close out of here and go to start icon, select and power option and select restart guys. After restarting your PC, check whether your problem has been resolved or not. But if after restarting your PC, if you still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to change the DNS address guys. For that, go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl, click on open it, right click on the network connection you are using it, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and select properties. And in here you just need to select the use the following DNS server address. Preferred DNS server, you just need to type here 8888 and alternate DNS server 8844. After doing this, click on OK and close out of here. Now close out of here as well. Now hopefully your problem has been resolved at this point guys. Go ahead and log in Instagram. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.